Hello, welcome. Today I will be making an unusual design compared to what I usually do, which is kitchens and bathroom vanities or closets. Today we will be making a van cabinets or perhaps boxes. This design was inspired by a Danish company called Moonbox, so you can check them out. As usual, I will let a background music play while I make the model, and I'll get back to you on the last stage of the design, which will be the CNC files. Alright, after finishing making the shop drawings, this is the final PDF file that will send to the client. In addition to the shop drawings, I will also send the cut list and the 3D model in case they need it, and also the CNC file. If you are expert on CNC machine, you know you cannot make those right angled cuts using a CNC machine, so you need to have a dog bones or T-bones. And for that, I will be saving the SketchUp model in 2018 version, and then importing it to the Vectric software. And now you need to go and download the dog bone gadget and install it, which will help you to cover that issue of the corners. So after importing the file from the SketchUp, I will now just generate toolpath using Vectric. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a like. If you have a similar project, get in touch. Otherwise, thank you for watching. See you again.